Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, this evening we're invited to a movie premiere. My girlfriend's husband is very much involved in the movie scene here in Toronto. And before we head off to watch this movie, I decided I'm going to prepare a very easy meat lettuce wrap. A lovely, delicious dish. We first had this in Bali, Indonesia. I loved it. And let's get started. Mix 300 grams of minced pork. And to the pork, I'm going to add 300 grams of minced beef. I turned off my gas stove. I'm allowing the pan to heat, and I'm going to add some olive oil. I combined the meats together. I'm going to add some kosher salt and black pepper. I have 5 pieces of ginger here. I'm just going to thinly slice them. I'm going to give this a thorough mix. Chop a red chili pepper into small pieces. My pan is nice and hot. I'm going to add the meat, and I'm going to fry the meat and continue to fry it until it's crisp, brown, and broken. This is browning beautifully. It's going to take about 12 minutes. I'm going to put it over a strain just to drain it. So I'm just going to let this cool a little bit. I'm going to set it aside. And the fact that I've drained it, it's going to keep the meat crispy. 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. Add the ginger that I chopped. The chili pepper, 2 crushed garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. A little bit of kosher salt. I'm just going to let it saute for 2 minutes. I'm going to say it, if you could only smell my kitchen. Okay, now I'm going to add the meat back. I'm right back in Bali, right back. Okay, 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. The zest of a lime, juice of half a lime, 5 chopped spring onions. I'm going to let all of this cook for another 2 minutes, and we're ready to eat. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, a little shake of coriander, 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of half a lime, a dash of salt, and our sauce is ready. We're ready to fill our lettuce leaves. What could be, isn't this a lovely, just a really nice, easy recipe, nice snack? I think my friends are going to love this snack. I really do. I'm going to taste it for you. Ah, beautiful. I'm right back in Bali. A little bit of sauce. Oh yeah, I'm going to taste it. It's so good. Delicious. And there's plenty here for all of us, and we could have 3 or 4 each. Wonderful. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. It's Caterina, from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. Ciao.